Our today's topic is circle. So what is circle? The set of all points on a plane that are fixed distance from a center. A circle is a simple shape of consisting of those points in a plane that are equidistant from a given point, the center. Circle illustration shows a radius, a diameter, the center and the circumference, which you can see in the circle below. One circle is drawn. The middle point of the circle is known as center. From the center, the half line which is drawn is called radius, and the big line which converts the center into two lines, converts the circle in the two parts is known as diameter and circumference. Radius. Now, what is radius? The distance between any of the points and the center is called the radius. The radius is the distance from the center to the edge. What is diameter? The diameter is a line segment that connects two points on the circle. The diameter is a line segment that connects two points on the circle and goes through the center of the circle. It is always twice as long as the radius. The diameter starts at one side of the circle, goes through the center and ends up on the other side. Circumference. Circumference is the distance around the edge of the circle, as you can see in this figure given below. Now radius, diameter and circumference. We all know radius is half from the center, diameter is a full line from the center, and circumference, as we read over here, the circumference is the distance around the edge of the circle. So circumference upon diameter is equal to pi, and value of pi is 3.14159. Chord, arc, center and diameter. What is chord? Any line drawn in any segment drawn in the circle which does not touch the center is a chord. Diameter is the full segment drawn from the center, including the center of the circle. Chord. A chord is a line segment whose end points are at any 2 points on the circle and it doesn't pass through the center. Arc. An arc of a circle is a curved line drawn between 2 points along the circumference of a circle. You can see here in this figure what is the arc. The name of the arc in the figure below is arc AB. Segment. A segment is a region bounded by a chord and an arc lying between the chord's end points. So you can see here in this circle the segment. Circumference. A semicircle, a arc. An arc of a circle is a curved line between 2 points along the circumference of a circle. Segment. A segment is a region bounded by a chord and an arc lying between the two chords' end points. Circumference. A semicircle is an arc that is defined by the diametric points along the circle. This arc is as large as half the circle. Half of a circle is called semicircle. Therefore, the circumference of semicircle is 2 pi r. Sector. Sector is the portion of a disc enclosed by two radii and an arc, where the small area is known as the minor arc and the larger being the major arc. Major sector. Segment and sector. The pizza slice is called the sector, and the slice made by a chord is called a segment. Area of circle. The area of a circle is 2 times the radius squared, which is written as area is equal to pi into radius squared. Thank you. Hope all of you understood this chapter.